My name is Philip Gordon, and we are at Pair Eyewear's lab in Irvine, California. We're a direct-to-consumer company. We do have wholesale, and we're expanding our wholesale business as well. We're primarily driven online. We started this production facility about 2.5 years ago. We are in the middle of an expansion now that will give us a capability to do about 7,500 jobs a day. We have a staff at this facility of around 50 people, and we run 2 shifts. And so when we were planning the lab, we didn't want machines, we wanted a system. And the system needed to be able to be reconfigurable as we grew as well too. When we were planning it, we experienced 50% growth year over year, so it was a very difficult planning process as well too, because as we grew, we were kind of eating our own tail, so we had to keep expanding our planning and expanding our planning. We were looking for the ability to automate, continue to automate. So we wanted a line. We needed something that could be a system that could grow, that could support widespread automation, that could support conveying systems, that could support kind of any innovation that we wanted to throw at it as well. The other thing automation gives us is the ability to kind of move jobs wherever we need them to be into different lines. So you see behind me, we have actually a line here, but we also have another cutting line this way and another cutting line behind it as well too. So we have three lines, and then we have a coating line behind that. With Schneider, we thought that we had the best advantage because they had what we wanted to do at the time, where we wanted to go in the future with the LMU systems, in the cutters, with the conveyor systems that they had, with their ability to use their engineers to help us design the lab. We want to build a system that can grow with us as we change and as we expand. And it made it a lot easier to partner with somebody that had the ability to kind of see the whole system. They'd done it before, they knew what we were looking for, and they gave us the promise of being able to continually upgrade and advance our software and our machines as well too, which was a big deal. One of the things that worked really well was in the process, we were able to give Schneider our overarching plan. We were like, this is where we want to be kind of in 2.5, 3 years. And from that, they were able to come back with very detailed Gantt charts of what they could deliver, where they could be with machines, how long it was going to take them to do each process. We need somebody that is ready to listen to our problem and wants to come here and fix it. On that note, I think Schneider was the only company that was able to put everything together for us. They were able to have the surfacing machines, the surfacing rings, the conveyor systems, control center, the cutting lines, the lift systems, everything that we wanted in that system they were able to bring to the table. So to think about going back to time without automation, that's a nightmare. I think about it and it scares me a little bit. I would lose sleep over it. We have the ability to move jobs to all those locations without having to intervene. So we have the ability to put them on a conveyor system. The conveyor system can sort those jobs depending on what we're doing that day. We can actually change the scripts for the day as well too. So if we are running a lot of high index for the day, we can change the script and make sure that we're processing a lot of high index at this line, and we're processing poly at this line, or vice versa. So it gives us the ability to be very flexible on the fly. Also gives us the ability to take machines down for maintenance and not have to stop the line. So if we have a machine go down, we have a racetrack inside this particular line that we can put jobs on, and they'll go to another machine automatically. And so it gives the ability to be very systematic and automatic in what we do. Less and less we're worried about the lab and the physical lab, because we have high yield, because we have low breakage, because we have such great uptime and time to recover. It gives us the ability to focus more on the inception of building quality into the product, future of the product, how we're going to keep delivering and bringing joy to our customers. And so it gives us the latitude to be able to continue to create innovative products, to create high quality products at low cost, and to keep delivering those to our customers. And Schneider has been a partner on the innovation side for us from the beginning. So I think that's really important for the relationship. It's been a lifetime journey. I've been in optics for a very long time. I went to school for photonics. I studied lasers, and then I went back to school to become an optician because I thought I could make it a better experience. For me, it's about how can I help? What can I do to make it better? What can I do to advance it? If I can use any % of my brain or my team's brain to advance what's out there or how it works and to make it better and to help people, then I feel successful. That's a wrap, everyone. Perfect. Nice job.
You did awesome, buddy.